Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to fix in MI TV always opening default patch wall. So you can see here is a patch wall. So first go to the settings and go to the additional settings and device processes, and next go to patch. Here turn off the set patch wall as default. Let's restart the TV and see this is fixed or not. So you can see patch wall is not coming when you are on the TV. So I will be back in next video. So this video, like, share, subscribe. Bye.